A girl accidentally took a tumble, bringing a massive disaster to the cells inside her body. Although only a small scrape appeared on her thigh, countless wounds were blasted open in the internal tissues. Fortunately, the body had already begun to react, dispatching a professional repair squad, the platelets. The platelets gathered at the wound site, connecting with each other, and as they danced, fibrin sprinkled like snowflakes onto the injury, gradually forming a blood clot. But clotting alone wasn't enough. White blood cells and red blood cells soon joined the battlefield. They leaped into the clot, assisting the wound in secondary coagulation. Anna, a newly promoted red blood cell, accidentally fell into the arms of white blood cell 1146. Slightly embarrassed, 1146 tried to break free, but found himself unable to muster the strength. It turned out that they had to maintain this posture until the wound healed. Despite the awkwardness, this wasn't their first encounter. When Anna was born, she loved getting lost, and once even faced a bacterial attack. Luckily, 1146, who was still a bone marrow cell at the time, appeared just in time. Although young, 1146 already showed surprising combat talent, just lacking a bit of power. At the critical moment, the instructor in charge of training white blood cells arrived and quickly eliminated the bacteria. The two became acquainted as a result and agreed to grow into excellent cells together. Soon after, Anna completed the enucleation ceremony and officially became a red blood cell. Her main task was to deliver oxygen to various parts of the body, just like a courier. Meanwhile, the body's owner, Lisa, influenced by her sloppy father, had a large number of bacteria invading her body through the respiratory tract. Lisa didn't pay much attention, only feeling a slight itch in her throat, unaware that her body was already in crisis. As red blood cells were not adept at fighting, the situation quickly descended into chaos. The main forces of this invasion were pneumococcus and Staphylococcus aureus, which, if not eliminated quickly, could cause various inflammations. Anna dazedly turned into an alley, only to find her way blocked by bacteria. Her companions were killed one after another. At the critical moment, a white figure appeared behind her. Anna looked at the white blood cell protecting her from behind, and a familiar silhouette emerged in her mind. As the minions were easily taken down, the main villain also took the stage with a smile. Just as he was about to make a threat, two flying knives eliminated him. Although the bacteria were eliminated, a large number of cells were still infected. At this point, the killer T cells appeared, acting as the army inside the body. After the macrophages sounded the invasion alarm, helper T cells integrated and processed the information before passing it on to killer cells throughout the body. Infected cells were very dangerous and would continue to divide. Once their numbers were out of control, the entire body would be destroyed.